Hi guys, we are the MasterMinds and we're going to introduce you to DALI Life, an educational game developed by the DALI project to enhance citizens' data literacy by involving them in realistic scenarios. Data literacy refers to the ability to understand, manage, analyze, communicate, and use data to make ethical decisions in everyday life. It empowers citizens to make smart choices, detect misinformation, and use data responsibly. Up to 5 players can participate, each with a token of a particular color. As you can see, there are 2 types of cards: action cards, which are black, and event cards, which are blue. Event cards provide valuable information on different categories of data literacy, as well as instructions that the player must follow. They can affect players positively or negatively. On the other hand, action cards allow participants to advance in the game and can be played upon you or other players. For instance, they give you the possibility to block the negative effects of an event card you have just drawn. Before starting the game, each player is given 5 action cards. All tokens must be placed in the white start circle. Participants roll a 6-sided dice, and the one who obtains the highest number begins. When someone lands on a space marked with the event icon, which is represented by 3 cards, they must draw an event card and read it aloud. Once read, they follow its instructions and place it in a discard pile. If they have an action card that can block the effect, they can use it. If a player is affected by an action card, they can counter its effects with another action card. Participants can play up to 3 action cards in the action phase. The winner is the one who places the last card in a countering chain. When the action cards are used, they are placed in another discard pile. After the event and action phases, the draw phase continues, and all players must make sure they have 5 action cards. No more, no less. The winner of DALI Life is the one who first reaches the finished blue circle. The learning goal of the game is to enhance participants' critical understanding and analysis of data in their daily lives. This goal is exactly what data literacy is about, and it is closely related to the DICCOM framework and its purpose of supporting digital skills for all EU citizens. This learning goal aligns best with the information and data literacy area of the DICCOM framework.